Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in as always. Alright, so today I wanted to bring you all a product review and an unboxing, which is a little bit new for me. Y'all, I am so excited to show y'all my new goodies and to experience this unboxing with you all. So really quick, I just want to give you guys a quick rundown about the company that I'm actually working with this week. So this company is called Zeelool. So they reached out to me about a month ago about their eyewear company. The really cool thing about Zeelool is that their glasses are all stylish. All right? So whether you are in the boardroom, you're in class, you just chilling, you want something fashionable and stylish, they have you covered. Not only that, Zeelool also carries earrings and chains to go with your glasses. They give you a whole look, okay? Last but not least, something I really like about Zeelool is that they're very reasonable when it comes to pricing. So I saw glasses from $6 to $50. So there's options for you. I feel like I've talked enough, so let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing so y'all can see what I got. So all of my glasses came in this box. I have opened the box, but not the glasses yet. But I wanted to make sure I had everything in here. All of my glasses came packaged like this. My accessories here. My prescription is also in here. So one really cool thing about Zeelool is that they will put your prescription in your glasses. You don't have to wait to get your glasses and take them to your eye doctor. So I thought that was really awesome. I thought this part was really clutch as well. They gave me 2 replacement nose guards. I think that's what that's called. I'm not really sure. As well as a tightening tool. So that's definitely helpful because every time I get glasses, they're always loose on my nose. I don't know why. And that's pretty much it, all that was in my box. Let's see. I think I want to show you all my accessories first. And then we'll save the best part for last, right? I tried to make sure I filmed in like black or white, something neutral, to be able to try on my earrings. So this is earring number 1. Really stylish and chic, I think. And my next pair of earrings. Super cute. I think these are so cute. I really love the color. It's like this orange and pinkish color. All right, let's see what else we got. Y'all, I can't even lie. When I got this package, it felt like Christmas. I was so excited. I like these, you know, kind of simple. I love the little flare that they all have, you know. And then I have one more pair. And no, I have 2 more. When I saw these on the website, I said, oh, that's me. That's all me. Y'all, look at these earrings. Are those not, like, super cute? Like, so cute. I cannot wait to wear these out. I love it. All right, and then last but not least, I thought these were really fun. Look at those. I think they're so cute. Okay, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. All right, y'all. So those were all of my earrings. So cute. And I'll go ahead and show you all the chains. It has gold and it has pearls on it. I think it's so pretty. So beautiful. I can't wait to see how all of this comes together. This one is probably one of my favorites. See, it has like rhinestones and pearls. I did get this one because I thought it would go really good with my AKA stuff. And then there's this one, and it has like green type emeralds on it. I think that one's really pretty too. Okay, so this one was definitely AKA inspired. Look at this. Nothing but pearls. So I definitely love this one. Right. Lastly, I think this is more of a simple one. And it just has like some crosses on it. Yes, so those are all of my chains. Y'all, I'm so excited because if the earrings and the chains look like this and they're that cute, I already know these glasses are about to be everything. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my first pair of glasses. All right, here's what my eyeglass case looks like. Look at that. How it's like nicely wrapped. Okay. I like them. Cute. They are so clean though. Like how they're made. Yes, I like these. That's number 1. Here we go. All right, glasses number 2. Y'all, just can we have a moment of silence for this packaging? Anytime I've gotten my glasses at the eye doctor, it don't come like this. All right, here's number 2. Look at that black and that gold. Ooh. Y'all, these are cute. Look at these gold handles right here. Get you a little black dress. Y'all, listen. Also, you know, you may not like my frames, but just know they have, I really feel like, hundreds of frames on their website. Also, something else about them is that they make sunglasses. Oh, these are cute. All right, so glasses number 3. So these are the only frames that I got that are a little bit different. So these are definitely more casual, right? These are not my favorite frames, but how they are made in the construction of these glasses, I still very much appreciate. So, okay, you know, more chill, relax with a cardigan, something like that. I'm here for this. All right, so glasses number 4. Y'all, these are so cute. I know on camera they look black and white, but they're not. They're black and pink. They're floral. Yes, these will probably be worn at the next, you know, AKA function. But, okay. I've never even been that excited to wear glasses. So I'm just super pumped that I was able to do this. So here's my last one. Okay, y'all, these are my absolute favorite, hands down. We're done, we can go home, cut the camera light. Y'all, okay, so these are clear. I absolutely love these. To me, these are super fun, super chill. I love these. These are too perfect. All right, y'all, so that is a wrap. Okay, we have officially tried on everything from Zeelool, and y'all, let me just be the first to say that I absolutely love them. I'm sold. I will be a customer. I'm here for it. Make sure, if you do nothing else, that y'all definitely go on the website, use my code, see what you like. Check out the earrings, the chains, everything, because you won't be disappointed. I promise you that. Make sure that you all stay tuned for photos so that you can see my final look and what I have done with these glasses, okay? And make sure that you check out my Instagram page so that you guys get even more details and rundown and an all around better view and picture of what these glasses look like. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will catch you guys later. Bye.